In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add course curriculum in Tutorlms. We'll build a clear, engaging structure so your students can follow along effortlessly from start to finish. From your WordPress dashboard, head to Tutorlms and open Courses. Click Add New to create a new course, or select an existing one if you're updating a course that's already started. Begin with the essentials. Enter a descriptive course title and a helpful summary so learners know what they'll gain. Add a featured image or thumbnail to make your course look polished. In the settings, choose the difficulty level and, if needed, set a maximum number of students. Laying this groundwork keeps the rest of your setup organized and consistent. Now switch to the curriculum section. This is the course builder where you'll plan the learning path. Tutorlms structures content into topics, think modules or chapters, and within each topic you'll add lessons, quizzes, and assignments. Click the Add Topic button to create your first module. Give the topic a concise, meaningful title, and optionally include a short summary to describe what it covers. Confirm to add it. Topics group related materials, helping learners understand the journey at a glance. Inside your topic, choose Add Lesson. A lesson editor opens, where you'll enter the lesson title and your content. Add text, images, embedded media, a featured image or video, and any downloadable attachments your students may need. When you're done, save or update the lesson so it becomes part of the topic. To include knowledge checks, add assessments within the same topic. Select. Add quiz to create a quiz. Set a title and description, then add your questions, multiple choice, true or false, and more. You can define a passing grade and limit attempts to guide progress. For hands-on work, use Add Assignment if that feature is available. Provide clear instructions, attach resources, and set time limits or submission rules to align expectations. Repeat this process to add as many topics as you need, building out modules that move from fundamentals to more advanced material. Keep topic titles short and consistent, and group lessons so each module has a clear learning goal. Use the drag-and-drop builder to reorder topics and rearrange lessons, quizzes, or assignments at any time. This makes it easy to refine the flow, split larger modules, or adjust pacing as your course takes shape. Save regularly as you work to avoid losing changes. When your curriculum and settings look right, click Save or Publish. Your course, complete with its full curriculum, is now available to your students, and you can continue refining it whenever you need.